actually po kami mga student organization, again po, hindi po nagyayabang. So, in Region 3, sa Central Luzon po, highly awarded po ang aming varsity team ng Taekwondo and chess. Yung aming pong theater arts group dito, isa rin po sa highly recognized theater arts organization in Ilocos po. Sila po ay nag-found same year as na-found po yung aming school, so we're now 16 years. At marami pa pong student organizations who are actively preparing now po kasi ngayon. By next week po yung aming pong intramurals. So mapapansin niyo po. And most of our students would come in the afternoon po. Yung mga nakikita niyo po nasa classroom ngayon, karamihan pa ng first year students. So yung second year, third year, kasi we operate from 8 in the morning till 9:30 p.m. At pagdating po ng mga bandang 6:30, nandiyan na po yung karamihan po ng aming estudyante ay mga worker ng SBFA. So sila po yung mga working students. We want to be the seat of intellectual dedication, constantly seeking and opening horizons for knowledge, with the end view of ensuring the positive application of man's potentialities and capabilities in response to the needs of the contemporary society, being characterized by institutional and personal commitment to fundamental truths and principles. So yan po yung aming isa sa mga konsepto po ng education for liberation. As much as possible po, sininiwala kami na merong potential ng bawat isa, and we want to bring out the best out of those potentials. And lastly, yung aming po, make itself in conjunction with other social institutions and a more dynamic and accessible instrument for promoting equality, social justice, and social consciousness to make itself a real effective mechanism for advancement of equality among men, serving to promote principles against prejudicial forces that impede harmonious local, national, and international life. So yan po yung aming education. It starts from the school level and then extended to the community level, a national level, and even global level po. So makita niyo po yan yung aming simple at alam po namin pag naman sa may simple, alam po namin makaguluhan sa bawat estudyante namin. And we make these principles known to them at the start of the school year. Meron pong student orientation na ginagawa sa mga activities natin. Okay? Siguro po by this time, I would like to turn you over to Ms. Elisa Minor to share with you the core values of the school.
Bago sabihin yung core values ng our college, you would be observing those posters around, okay, those tarpaulins around. They are basically these are devices for our learning students. You would note that if we would open this one, it would show the operating room already. And we have patients there. Actually, there are many teams. Okay. So, what are the core values of the teaching and non-teaching staff of Monday and our college? That we want our students to imbibe. Okay, number one, kami ay isang grupo of God-loving and God-fearing professionals. That's number one in our core values. Number two, we exude pride in our institution, for its existence is founded on truth, freedom, and justice. Okay? So, kailangan may katotohanan, may kalayaan, at may justisya. Next, we commit ourselves to show our loyalty, dedication, and concern to all its undertakings and ideals. For the more we commit ourselves, the more we glorify God. We continuously strive to have a harmonious working relationship with all stakeholders, kasama kayo, the stakeholders, through effective communication and dealing. Number five, we only have 10. Number five, we refrain from being told what is to be done. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Because we show initiative, filling in what may be lacking, or bridging what may be the gap. Hindi na kailangan tutusan. Next, we trust one another, for we are working in one organization with one common goal. Number seven, we are professionals with distinctive qualities that are truly unique and abilities that are truly outstanding. Mr. Leo de Santos is one of those truly deserving professionals. He's now into his last term in Masters in Psychology, Clinical Psychology, and he studied in Polytechnic University of the Philippines. And do you know that he graduated from Modern Aura College as a cum laude? And he absorbed, the college absorbed him immediately because he's very brilliant. Okay? Number 7, we are professionals with distinctive qualities. We do not forget to put our feet on the ground and remain humble, like Jesus. Kaya ako na lang yung nag-ano sa kanya, nagsasabi ng kanyang mga achievements. And he is a very good singer.
Oh, tapos.
Get ready, sir. Mag-ready ka ng isang ano lang. Sige po. Para marinig niyo lang, bakit sila lumabas. Habang ako'y nagsasalita, be ready. Ganyan po kami ka-flexible. Number 8, we adhere to the mission of our institution to promote social awareness. I was asking Sir Morales here, are you with the NSPP also?
Yes.
And what kasama yan, yung we promote social awareness and social responsibility through the education we provide. And we practice what is right and what is moral, what is acceptable to God, not only in our profession, but also in our personal life. Ang tawag sa amin, ano?
Aurista.
At kayo ay kapwa namin auristas. We are auristas and we have the edge. Alam niyo, controversial yung edge na yan eh. Anong pangalan ng aming college president? Edgar Henry. Okay, first 2 letters, that, tapos first 2 letters ng kanyang last name, di ba? O, di ba, masyadong ano yan, masyadong, tawag na, innovative. Okay, the edge. But actually, we really have the edge. So, before we part this morning, we would like to greet you with a beautiful song coming from Student Affairs.
Pero ang acoustic na. No, teka muna. Sabi kasi namin, you must be ready in season and out of season. Kaya bawat isa sa amin may baon lagi. So anyway, sige po, pagpatensya na yun na kasi wala na ang practice. That you realize you only see beautiful. Isasabi ka. Pass the mic.
Sorry.